We're finally getting some moisture and some rain in southeast Nebraska. Two of my favorite channel cat spots have dried up. I was in nationwide tournament all week this past week up till yesterday. It ended. You wouldn't believe how many lakes you couldn't even put a boat in on the boat ramp, or how many small lakes are completely dry. It's getting hard to find places to fish. We're finally getting some moisture. We need it so bad around here. Go to Boyd Outdoors on Facebook, YouTube. Hit like, subscribe, take a kid fishing.